Hey everybody, Elvis here, and I got this problem with my 2000 Chevy. The problem with my wife too, 'cause she wants to go grocery shopping, and she's pissed off that we were supposed to be there half an hour ago. My truck's been running like shit, straight shit. And I kind of thought every time after it rains or we go through some fucking big mud puddles at the fucking dump, truck runs like shit. So I checked the fuel pressure and I saw bubbles. I'm like, where's that coming from? I kind of figured it was steam because there's fucking water inside the fuel system. If you got one of these Chevys here, and you think your motor's blowing or your fuel pump or something's going bad, got this nice little fucking pocket they invented for the tank in the back. Everybody listen. I'm gonna go ahead and put the microphone right here so you can hear it. I'm burning fucking water, people. What I need is one of Jethro Bodine's fucking water pills you put in the gas tank and make it run off of water, as long as you have one of his pills. So what I did for now is I disconnected the line that goes to the fuel filter right there, the fuel pump. This thing's been pumping muddy shit to my front tank, which clogged up my fuel pump down there on the rail, my fuel filter down there on the rail, which I've already changed. So what I'm going to do now is just add some seafoam to this right now, maybe some injection cleaner and something else. But it's been going on for so long, I think I might have burned out my injectors. Did a compression test. Nothing's wrong with my engine so far, but I think the injectors are smoked. So anyway, if you ever get this problem, you're driving your Chevy down the road, you're stepping on the gas, it goes blah, 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 blah. You ain't got no fucking octane in the goddamn gas because you're burning fucking water. That's it. That's my story and I'm sticking to it. I'm out.